Hello good people, greetings from Enramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you just how far AI has come when it comes to web development. Specifically how easy it is now to clone a website using AI. Whether you want to prototype quickly, study a design layout, or even create client-ready pages in minutes, AI tools like Lovable.dev can do most of the heavy lifting for you. But we are not just talking about cloning the look of the website. It's possible to clone specific functions inside a website. So, without any further ado, let's get started. We will be using Lovable.dev, a tool that allows you to clone website just by providing a URL or even a screenshot. You can sign up for free and get started with a few credits for test it out. For this video, I have picked two demo websites. One is the Nature and another is DNK. Created using Elementor, I want to see if Lovable.dev could replicate these designs accurately. So here what we are going to do. We are going to copy this URL and we will go to Lovable.dev and we will paste the copied URL in here. And we will write the prompt like, can you please clone this website? Get at close to the original website. Now we will hit the enter. After that we will wait for few minutes. It's working and done. An AI generated version of the website appeared. It's not 100% pixel perfect but surprisingly close, especially in terms of structure, layout and component. Let's click on the preview from here and we will compare this with the original. When comparing the original, the clone side by side, for example, this is the original and this is the clone version. Let's check our services. So this is our services. It's look very familiar and very similar. And this is the testimonial section. And we have the testimonial as well. This is the about us. And we also have the about us, but the images is missing. And it has the get in touch or it has the question. If we compare the footer has one section which is in the middle, but on the original we have the footer section in three separate parts. However, you can easily fix this using Lovable.dev's built-in AI editor. For example, let's go to the editor. If we click on edit and let's go to this section and write in here, let's say we would like to add an image. Now we will say, could you please add an image in this section, and we will hit enter and it will work as per our prompt. So we will give this for a few minutes. As per our prompt, the image has been added. So this is how easy it is. If you want to move buttons or rearrange icons, for example this icon, we will hit edit again and we'll select this section and we can rearrange this icon as well. It's like having a page builder powered by AI, and yes, it's that good. Now one bonus tips is for you. If you are cloning multiple sites, start from the fresh each time. Starting from the fresh, let me show you what other options we have. We have the analytics option, we have the code option. If we click on this, we will be able to see the code. Let's not check that one for now. we have the cloud option. If we click on this plus icon, we have the analytics, we have the cloud, security and speed. And most importantly, we have the responsive option. For example, if you click on this, we can check the responsive, or we can check on the tablet version. We can see this website on the mobile version as well. So now also we have the option to GitHub, which we can sync the project to the GitHub. Now let's start from the fresh. Click on this label icon and go to the dashboard. And what I have mentioned that if you are cloning multiple websites, start from the fresh each time. Reusing the same session can carry over unwanted elements from your previous clone. Just open a new tab like this one and start from the fresh generation. For this website, we will copy this DNK website URL. We will paste it in here and we will write the same prompt. For example, can you please clone this website? And just like before, we will wait for a few minutes and it will be ready within just few minutes. And just like that, our another cloned website is ready, and we can preview that as well by clicking in here. If we again compare this website, we will see as per the structure and the layout, it's similar to the original. Now another alternative is, if the URL method doesn't work for some reason, you can upload a screenshot of the website instead. The results are still pretty close and sometimes just as good. For example, if you would like to upload the screenshot, you can do that from here, from this plus icon. You can attach the screenshot and you can give the prompt. So this is how easy it is to clone a website using Lovable.dev. A year ago, building a clone like this using AI would have been unthinkable. Today, it's not only possible, it's ridiculously easy. These tools are evolving fast, and it's exciting to think about where we will be in another year or two. Whether you are a designer, developer, or just curious creator, tools like Lovable.dev are powerful assistants that can help you skip the grunt work and jump straight into creation. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss out the upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about cloning, AI tools, or building website in general. I am happy to help. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.